Hey guys, in this video I'll show you exactly how to deposit money on your Go2Bank account in 2025. The process is pretty simple, but you just need to follow a few steps carefully. First, open your Go2Bank app and log into your account. Once inside, tap on the menu in the bottom navigation bar and select Deposit. Now here you'll see different deposit options like direct deposit, mobile check deposit, cash deposit at retail stores, or transferring funds from another bank. If you want direct deposit, just copy your Go2Bank routing and account numbers and provide them to your employer or benefits provider. For mobile check deposit, simply snap a photo of the front and back of your check, confirm the amount, and submit. If you're adding cash, go to any participating retail partner like Walmart, CVS, or Rite Aid. Ask the cashier to load money to your Go2Bank card and hand them your cash. You'll get instant confirmation. Finally, you can also link an external bank account and transfer funds securely. That's it. Quick and easy.